That's Brendan, by the way.
Yeah.
Brendan is a CTO, yes? CTO for Europe.
Yeah.
CTO for Europe when it comes to the company called GivEnergy. So let me know, when it comes to one-phase solutions, what is the range of hybrid inverters that we have, from like 3 to 10 kilowatts or?
Yeah, so we've got the, starting from a 3 kilowatt, well, 3.6 kilowatt inverter, all the way up to a 5 kilowatt, but then that's low voltage. We've recently launched a single-phase high voltage as well, which will start at an 8-10 kilowatt.
8 to 10?
8 to 10 kilowatt.
Okay.
Then we've got the all-in-one as well.
All-in-one?
Yeah, single phase.
Yes.
Which starts off at a 3.6, a 4.6, and a 5 and a 6 kilowatt.
Okay.
With a 13.5 kilowatt hour battery storage.
So the all-in-one is the one on the left, yes?
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
On the left.
Yeah.
What about the three-phase solutions?
So three-phase, we start off at a 5 kilowatt three-phase.
Yep.
5, 6, 8, 10, and 11. We've recently introduced a 15 and a 20.
Okay, so up to 20 for now?
Yeah, up to 20. And then obviously we go all the way up to the big commercial as well.
Okay, big commercial, also hybrid.
Well, this is a all-in-one commercial. This is not a hybrid, it's only a PCS, right?
Okay.
Our new addition will be a hybrid, so the V2, so we're currently in the testing process.
So what's the power of that?
So this is a 30 kilowatt
30 kilowatt, yeah?
with a 64 kilowatt hour battery storage.
All right.
Yeah.
And the new one is going to be the same?
Yeah.
But hybrid,
But
the
hybrid.
UPS or?
Yeah.
So when it comes to the standard home solutions, it's from 5 to 20.
5 to 20, yeah.
Could you tell me, is the pass-through same as the power of the inverter, or is it higher?
So at the moment, it's currently the same as the inverter. We are busy in the testing process of making it more. So
the plan is to improve it, improve the product to be able to have a higher pass-through.
Higher pass-through.
Like 10 kilowatts unit will be able to pass through like 20 kilowatts,
20
for example.
kilowatts, correct.
What about asymmetry per phase? Is it like 1/3 of the inverter power, or is it more?
No, you can go up to about, I think it's 60%.
60%?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So 10 kilowatt unit, for example, can give you an output of 6 kilowatts per each phase, maximum, yeah?
But
the asymmetry may be up to 6.
Well, look, so if the one phase is doing 6, the other one can do 3, the other one can do 1.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So
in total, it's still 10, yeah? But the asymmetry is up to 60%.
Yeah.
And that's really good, because lots of brands have maximum 1/3 of the power.
Correct, yeah.
Could you tell me what is the peak power? Is there any higher peak power in the off-grid application on the load?
What do you mean, peak power?
Peak power, like for example, you're starting an engine or something at home, and it's off-grid application, so the inverter is able to take the energy from the battery and PV simultaneously, and 10 kilowatts unit can give you, for example, 15 kilowatts for 4 seconds, for example.
Yeah. So we can do the peak power, I think it's 2 times the inverter's rating for 10 seconds.
10 seconds?
10 seconds,
and it's twice the power, yeah?
About 200%.
That's
the other nice thing about the systems, right, is that when we do the battery charge, we do not go from DC to AC back to DC. We go straight DC to DC. So for example,
there is only DC-DC converter.
There's also an AC converter inside, but if you have a DC solar array, obviously, right? You can do, on a 3.6, for example, you can charge the battery at 3.6 and you can supply the load at 3.6 at the same time.
Oh, that's very nice.
Yeah, so that's why you will be able to basically put, like on a 3.6 inverter, single phase, you can put up to, I think it's 7.4 or 7.5 kilowatt peak of panel.
It's more or less 200% of the power of the inverter.
Yeah.
Twice the power on the input.
Yeah.
Okay, that's very cool.
It's like I say, because it's got, so we do DC to DC conversion.
Yes.
If needed, we can do an AC to DC
That's
conversion.
actually a similar solution that SolarEdge has when it comes to the maximum power and stuff like that. Could you tell me what's the range of the MPPT when it comes to the voltage? What's the maximum MPPT voltage range? Is it like up to 900 something, 800 something?
So single phase is 600 volts.
Okay.
Yeah, 600 volts. And then 3-phase is a maximum of 1,000 volts.
Okay, so that's more or less like standard when it comes to the lots of competitors.
It's mainly standard.
When it comes to the current, what's the current like usual in the new inverters? Like, is it like 13 amps, 16 amps?
Yeah, I think this one is 15. This is 16.5 amps.
16 and a half.
16 and a half. Yeah.
Okay.
No, I'm lying. Short circuit, that's 20.
Not short circuit. Okay,
yeah,
so 15.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Could you tell me how many you can connect in parallel?
So currently, you cannot connect in parallel, right?
Oh, you cannot. Okay.
We are in the process of developing our EMS system. The reason why we haven't done the paralleling integrated is because on the residential EMS system for the paralleling,
yes,
we want to allow the users and installers to mix and match the sizes. So, for example, single phase, you can do 3.6 and a 5 kilowatt.
That's big.
Three phase, you can put a 5, a 6, a 8, a 10. However, our bigger systems, the 15 and the 20 kilowatt, that's already integrated. We do not use RS485 protocol for paralleling. We use CAN bus protocol, which is a bit more, how can I say, complex, because you need to go from
faster.
1818, one in, one out, and then back again, out in, out in, out in. It's quicker. If one unit fails, so if one unit fails, it's only that one that fails, and the rest will carry on working. So self-addresses.
When are you going to release that? When is it possible? Like this year, next year?
The 15 and the 20 kilowatt is already doing that.
Okay.
So that you
they
can
talk
already
to each other. We can connect. You can parallel them.
Yeah, you can parallel those, which is on the CAN bus paralleling. So for like again, if one fails, so I've got a system currently which has got 5 20 kilowatts in parallel. If one of those units fail, the 4 will still work, and that one is just excluded.
What about the low voltage, high voltage solutions? Is there any low voltage battery input for the three-phase solutions?
No.
Okay, all are high voltage.
All high voltage batteries, yeah.
What about the gen port? Is there any gen port? Can you connect like a generator with automatic startup?
On the new EMS for residential, yes. And on the commercial side, same thing, only on the EMS.
So the new EMS is going to be extra box, yes?
An extra box.
That you can connect different things to,
Yeah.
and it will talk with all the products and create the smart system.
Yeah.
That's cool. So not for now, but in the EMS we're going to have it.
Yeah.
So is it going to have any other functionality when it comes to the new EMS? Maybe wind turbine connection, maybe some smart loads?
So you can already do wind turbine connections on the inverters as well.
You can already do by DC?
DC.
Okay.
Yeah. You can also AC couple, all our systems can be AC coupled to an existing system.
Yes.
Right.
With the CT?
With the CT.
But is it possible to, for example, to make the grid-tied inverter work even in off-grid applications? So is there a direct connection of the grid-tied inverter to your inverter, or is it possible to AC couple on the load side?
No. So
how does it work?
So if you can do it in a way of, for example, if the system is connected on the EPS side and your string inverter is connected on the EPS group, because the power is already there, the voltage is already on the string inverter, and then it will still carry on working.
Yes.
And then it will supply the loads from.
So you put it on the load side.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Then it's working.
Then it's working. Yeah.
And it's possible.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So even if the production of the grid-tied inverter is higher than the consumption on the load side, the GivEnergy inverter will take this energy and charge.
Yeah.
Or put it to the grid.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
When it comes to the dynamic pricing, what about it? Are we ready, or are you going to have it?
100% ready.
100% ready.
Free of charge.
So can we use it now in Poland?
You can use it in
Poland. To set it like sell it whenever the price is lower down, or buy charge. Okay, that's ready.
Yeah,
so that's very good. That's very good information.
So we do the Apex pricing, so dynamic pricing, and then we can do the what do you call it? There's another name. Can't remember the name now of it.
By hours? Set it by hours, or?
No. So basically, So if you want to do grid trading. So charge the battery, discharge.
Yeah. And earn some money on it.
Earn some money. That's 100% ready.
That's very good.
Yeah.
That's very good. Is it available for the whole Europe, or is it only Poland?
No.
Whole Europe already.
All of Europe. Yeah.
That's very good. Are you going to have some extra smart plugs, heat pumps, something that talks and creates a bigger EMS functionality?
We do have already the smart plugs. We're looking at integrating our systems with heat pumps. However, we do have an open API protocol.
Okay.
So if there's a third-party platform that the guys want to use, we can provide them with an API, and then they can integrate it.
Brandon, it's fantastic to talk with you and see you on this trade show.
Yeah.
Let me translate that now to Polish and explain that to viewers, because Piotr Bugdała is the YouTuber in Poland, so we do know. So we are going to show that to people.
All right, fantastic.
Thank you for the information.
No
Good
problem.
luck with the trade show and see you around
No
somewhere
problem.
else hopefully.
100%.
Bloki. Zrobiliśmy wywiad na temat tych produktów GivEnergy i pozwólcie, że teraz pokrótce to przedstawię, a także przedstawię plany, jakie mają.
Powiedz mi w ogóle, bo kojarzę tą firmę.
Tak?
I to jest jakaś, widzę, brytyjska firma.
To jest firma brytyjska.
No właśnie. Tak samo jak Samsung niby, prawda? Gdzieś
Tak.
pochodzenie powiedzmy i druga sprawa
No teraz
jest
to
taka...
są firmy, które compete ze sobą, konkurują ze sobą.
No dokładnie, dobra, okej. To mów.
Jeżeli
mów,
chodzi
co to
tutaj o
pamiętasz.
wywiad, jakie są możliwości, jakie są falowniki, a także plany gdzieś tam ich na przyszłość, to jeśli chodzi o falowniki jednofazowe, to mają rozwiązania bateryjne low voltage, czyli na magazyny energii 48V, z tym, że to są rozwiązania od 3,6 do 5 kW. Jeżeli chodzi o high voltage, to jednofazowe to są od 8 do 10. Jeżeli chodzi o all-in-one, to jest od 3,6 do 6 kW. To są rozwiązania jednofazowe. Trzyfazowe wszystkie są już na wejście akumulatorowe high voltage'owe od 5 do 20 kW. Pass-through, czyli ten ilość przepływającej energii z grida do loada to jest 100%, ale zapewni mi tutaj Brandon, że pracują nad tym, żeby rozwinąć to, zwiększyć, zrobić testy, żeby pozwolić na to pass-through w większej mocy. Podejrzewam, że gdzieś tam celują w 200%, bo widzę to po asymetrii. Asymetria na fazy jest 60%. Mnóstwo producentów ma z tym problem, że ich falowniki pozwalają tylko na 1/3 mocy, czyli 33% około. I co to oznacza? To oznacza, że jeżeli falownik jest 10, to gdy ma 60%, to może na każdą z faz wypuścić na loadzie moc do 6 kW. Oczywiście sumarycznie jest to nadal tylko 10. W piku jest to 200%, czyli przez 10 sekund jest w stanie wypuścić te 20 kW. Jeżeli chodzi o zakres napięć, no to tutaj na boku falownika czytaliśmy, że dla trójfazowych jest to do 1000 V na inpucie. Oczywiście MPPT zakres jest troszeczkę niższy. Jeżeli chodzi o jednofazowe, to jest do 600 albo 650, chyba 600. Czyli tak powiedzmy standardowo. Jeśli chodzi o current, o prąd, jaki jest na wejściu tutaj stringu fotowoltaicznego, to przynajmniej w tym falowniku trójfazowym jest to 15 A. Pytałem o to, ile równolegle można połączyć falowników. Odpowiedź była, że na ten moment jakby jeszcze żadnego, ale pracują nad rozwinięciem takiego zewnętrznego systemu EMS, który będzie dodatkowym urządzeniem, dodatkową jakąś taką puszeczką, która łączy różne funkcjonalności i dzięki temu będzie można łączyć, taki jest plan, różne wielkości, różne moce, różne rodzaje, modele tutaj tych falowników razem w jeden system, żeby pracowały równolegle. A także będzie możliwość podpięcia tutaj generatora z automatyką sterowania, są już smart gniazdka i pracują cały czas nad rozbudową teraz, żeby to rozmawiało, gadało z pompą ciepła. Mają też otwarty system, także są otwarci na to, że inne firmy trzecie będą też robiły komunikację i komunikowały się tak, żeby to wszystko działało jako jeden home energy, smart home energy system. Jeżeli chodzi o taryfy dynamiczne, tu mnie teraz zaskoczył, powiedział, że to już działa. W całej Europie, w tym w Polsce, możemy już ustawić ceny zakupu, ceny sprzedaży. Także to jest coś ciekawego, bo można już na tym zarabiać, jeśli ktoś to dobrze zoptymalizuje, ma na tyle pojemny magazyn energii. Jeżeli chodzi o wysyłka z sieci, no to już powiedziałem, da się to ustawić po godzinach, ale jest też tutaj dynamic pricing. Turbinę wiatrową da się już podłączyć, także to jest też ciekawe, da się podłączyć turbinę wiatrową po DC, podobnie jak w Samsungu i daje. No i przełączania gridowe to jest standardowo UPS-owe. Także to wszystko, jeśli chodzi o firmę GivEnergy. Idziemy dalej, Piotrze.
No, idziemy. To bardzo mi się podoba temat, ze względu na to, że
No i tak spuentowałem.
fajna angielska firma, która weszła tutaj do Polski, bardzo miły gość. Pozdrawiamy, tak więc fajnie.